fidget spinner, yeah, and the car keys when you press a button and it comes like this. So these are the most fidgety things in the planet. I mean, बहुत कुछ है, but I have used these three. Anyways, hey guys, अंदरिकी नमस्कारम, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So आज का वीडियो है OnePlus Buds के बारे में. Let's get into it. So आपको क्या मिलता है 5,000 रुपये में 13.4 mm ड्राइवर्स मिलते हैं इसके अंदर. एंड यू हैव दिस 3 mics, one here, इधर एक and here for better audio quality. It supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. IPX4 dust and water resistant है. You can't swim. ऐसे जाके swim नहीं कर सकते. Of course you won't. But yeah, sweat resistant है. You can say that. And 10 meters तक connectivity रहता है. And in between 10 meters, if you have some wooden walls, concrete walls and that, you shouldn't expect 10 meters of connectivity. Simple as that. Let's talk about the case first. ये button आता है for pairing. And when you press the button, you will be getting a green light like this. When you open, you will be getting a green light again. And if you want to disconnect from one device and connect to another device, you have to press and hold this button for a small period of time, for 3 seconds or something, and you will be getting this white light. ऐसा white light pop होता रहता है. And also if you want to disconnect from one device, अगर आपको लैपटॉप में switch करना है, you have to press hold this surface for 5 seconds. And if you are connected to mobile, you will be shifted to laptop. मतलब last used device on this buds. ऐसा connection है. तो बात करते हैं audio quality. It has impressive bass, excellent sound, gets pretty loud at 100%. At 100% you will feel the sharpness. मतलब it pricks your ear. I felt like that. So I don't recommend playing the music at 100%. It's not very comfortable. And sound quality and also call quality, environmental noise cancellation doesn't matter. like अभी कुछ ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. That's about the sound quality and audio quality on this. How good is the battery? Battery is great. I was pretty impressed with the battery life on this. For like if this is for 100%, अगर ये Bud 100% charge पे है, you will be getting around 7 hours of music at when you are keeping it at 50% volume. If you keep it at 75%, I got at almost 6 hours of music playback. And charging, how fast does it charge? OnePlus है तो चार्जिंग का बहुत स्पीड है इनमें. सो इट्स OnePlus. चार्जिंग का बारे में कुछ तो भी मतलब कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट तो होना चाहिए ना. नाउ कंसिडरिंग दिस योर ईयरबड at 0% battery. Now when you put them in, close the lid, keep the cable and charge just for 10 minutes. It will be pumped up to 100% just in 10 minutes, only if the cable is connected. Now if you disconnect the cable and your buds are at 0%, it will charge to 100% in about close to 50 minutes or 1 hour. It is like that. अभी समझो पूरा चार्ज ही हो गया इसमें. केस इज एट 0%. नाउ एट 0% बैटरी, मतलब ये 0% है. 100% होने के लिए इट विल टेक अराउंड 50%. इट विल टेक अराउंड 50 मिनट्स. 50% होने के लिए 20 मिनट्स लगेगा. एंड टू गो फॉर 20% इट विल टेक अबाउट 7 to 10 minutes. अकॉर्डिंग टू माई यूसेज, दिस इज वॉट आई फाउंड. ओके. एंड one full charge of this gives you around 30 hours of playback if you play your music at 50%. अगर आप 75% वैसा कुछ चलाए तो it will translate around 24 to 25 hours, which is pretty decent. Not pretty decent, pretty good. So that's about the battery in this. Battery life बहुत अच्छा है. Sound quality बहुत अच्छा है according to me. मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा these features. But this is not all for a wireless earphone. Pete Law, the founder of OnePlus, has tweeted this. OnePlus Buds offer you amazing bass quality, और क्या, flash proof and this great battery life. But Is that all? Is that all that you require on a OnePlus Bud or any other earphones? No. What about comfort? What about latency in gaming? Customizable, tap customizability. You have just double tap on this. I'll talk about this in depth now. So comfort, let me show you, not show you. Abhi you are wearing this. There is not much of uneasiness when you keep these earbuds, but after 1 hour, not even 1 hour, after 45 minutes of time, when you are wearing this, you can feel pain here. ज़्यादा pain होता है. Now, if you are giving a battery life of about 6 hours and you can't even listen for 1 hour, then what is that battery life for? क्या ज़रूरत है इतना ज़्यादा बैटरी रखने की? We don't require. आप 1 घंटे के बाद आपका कान दुख रहा है. You can't even watch any series. You can't binge watch any series or even a movie. This is about latency. Now I'm speaking. Now observe this. There is latency between my audio and video. Okay? Now if this happens while you're gaming, you are having a high PUBG session. Okay? Now we are surrounded by some 3 to 4 enemies and you are not knowing from where they are shooting, because enemy shoot करता है, you don't hear the voice then and there itself. You will be hearing after a second or two, but it is very important in such games that you hear sound as in when the events are happening. But there is no latency. मतलब there is high latency in some phones, in many of the phones. Latency is just 1 or 3 milliseconds only on OnePlus 6, OnePlus 7 and above. हर एक के पास तो OnePlus 7 and above होना चाहिए ना. If you are going to consider buying this, buy only if you have OnePlus devices that are 7 and above. And yaar, after wearing this, you need to, you can just double tap. If you are trying for triple tap to go to the forward next song, it won't work. You can customize this tap settings only in OnePlus 6 and above, not in any other OnePlus phones. They have just set it as Apple AirPods, which is pretty frustrating, you know. Settings have been enabled only for those phones. See, let me show you on this OnePlus 5. OnePlus 5 you can see only that AAC support, contact sharing, that's it. Now when you see on the OnePlus 8 Pro settings, OnePlus 8 Pro के settings में जाते हैं तो then you can customize left earbud and on the right earbud. What you can customize is Google Assistant or next track, previous track, play or pause. That's not enough. देखो, बैटरी लाइफ है, साउंड अच्छा है, बट दीज टू अगर ये रहने से भी इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल वेयरिंग द ईयरफोन्स, देन व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ हैविंग दोज ग्रेट क्वालिटीज? जरूरी नहीं है ना. नो, इफ यू हैव केप्ट फॉर 1 hour, सी आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 6 days. ओके, 6 days के बाद मतलब डेली आई एम यूजिंग फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 hours और समथिंग. 1 घंटे के बाद आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू रिमूव दिस ईयरफोन्स. आई डोंट लाइक टू पुट देम इन माई ईयर्स, बट स्टिल अभी मैंने ख़रीदा तो आई एम यूजिंग इट. ज़्यादा नहीं, कुछ कंफर्टेबल है ही नहीं इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग फॉर मोर देन 1 hour. आई जस्ट इंस्टॉल PUBG recently for checking the latency. Man, it was lagging as well. I tried to record that, but audio record नहीं हो रहा था उसका. Only the video was. देखो, Realme Buds Air Pro और Air Neo, you can customize your taps. ट्रिपल टैप कस्टमाइज कर सकते हो, डबल टैप कस्टमाइज कर सकते हो, एंड इफ यू टैप एंड होल्ड you get some other functionality as well, and all this can be customizable. ठीक है, you are getting 13.4mm drivers in that as well. Latency is around 100 milliseconds, which is very low for a wireless earphone, and it supports every other Android device, not just OnePlus. So Realme Buds is better here than OnePlus Buds. किसके लिए है ये ईयरफोन्स? इफ यू आर नॉट इनटू गेमिंग, हैविंग ईयर्स साइज ऑफ एन एलिफेंट, and if you are a user of OnePlus 7 and above, only then you can enjoy these earbuds. सो दैट्स बीन इट फॉर द वीडियो. लाइक कीजिए या डिसलाइक कीजिए, एंड अगर आपका कोई एक फ्रेंड इज प्लानिंग टू बाय दिस डिवाइस, just share the video to them so that they'll be getting to know like why they should not buy this and the other one, other any other choice. Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, see you in next video. Poya samari, bye.